so fa farm na fan sa wa fa akoko baako ansa na akoko no benyini ye beton no e ka dodo say na wo
yeah so yam find a broiler now a broiler day old chick which last year by this time was about 4.5 cedis.
It's a 5 cedis.
Yes, 5 cedis. It's now 16 cedis.
Abai.
Per day old.
Abai.
Ani akoko na say pai kusuya na. O toy 16.
Akoko na ne ya pai kusuya. Na ya 4 cedis 50%.
Yes.
This is 16
cedis. For the day old chick.
Hey.
Day old chick. Ni weight 0. The average weight is supposed to be 0.45 gram. 0.45 gram. And a year 16 cedis. Now, the cost of a kilo of feed now is about 7.5. A good poultry feed per kilo. Yes. And akoko ba no obedi 5 kilos to be ready for slaughtering. Akoko ba could be obedi 5 kilos of feed. And sana medication.
O de train meba. Some na o kano o de am hihia ba o. O say 7
yes
points. What do you have
7 cedis per kilo.
7
That's
cedis.
a good feed.
Until 7. Until akoko ba no be di say
5 kilos of feed. Kopum so obenyini.
And you 35 cedis.
Plus 16. Plus the day old.
35 plus 16. Then why 51?
And sana medication are the bemano. Now for medication, water and labor, you are looking at, let's say, 10 cedis per bed.
Medication and labor. Until 51 plus 10 cedis. That's 61 cedis.
61 cedis. And sana. Now, farm management, later, any other enema, and so 5 cedis.
5 cedis. Now, you're 66.
And so it's 66 at the farm. No profit in car. So add, let's say, 25% profit of the farmer.
Oh.
Because of Okoji loan, the farmer went for a loan. So 25%. And this is for 2 months. In 8 weeks paid, as I'm making. Into Okoji loan, so 25% of which is at the farm gate. The farmer and you no na ekoton. So me as a processor. Now I was saying me the car co farm ho na me ko faba. The last time I made the car transporting kuko from Doma to Accra no. Me car. Me to diesel 2,200. Ewo Doma.
Car no so 2,300 ko.
Car no me ba car ni 2 every Doma or 2,200 or Doma e be dru Accra me ko feeling. Me feeling 4,000.
What say?
Say car no fele fuel no one fie goil 2,200. Obedru ya me ko fele wa hye goil. E 4,000. And car no e was say komienu because here the empty cages ni free Accra na koye. And son what mean they are transporting kokonaba. So the average cost of transport no kwa fuel cost the 8,000. So for a commercial car be any honum or budget less than 15,000 to transport san kokono.
It wouldn't kokono be free when fear be dru ha no 15,000.
15,000. And also car has capacity to take 3,000 beds. And 15,000 o chairman kokono 3,000 na. Let's say each bed is about 3 cedis or 5 cedis.
Make a calculator.
And you know so bad be can ho. And sana me be process na fe na me be ku akoko no atutu ne ho. We workers 24 and ye processing no. So per bed me charge 5 cedis per bed for processing no. Me process we are
me nya calculation.
Me process we are I was here transport here akoko no to the supermarket or the cold room and the minute can process here me and this one our cold room na person me famrewa me the brewa me so what they are the better us no enti akoko no ba ko nansa na be ba be duru the answer the no beton ne honom no you are looking at about 80 cedis.
Hey!
And the Christmas, we should be looking at 1,150 cedis. And this thing, these are the practical things on the ground. And I was here, even in this way, no mortality, and be a cost of along transportation, any inefficiencies be a so a serious problem that needs serious solutions, not ad hoc solutions. So going forward, no, Mesre, the capacity for Ghana poultry farmers to produce chicken is there. We are ready and willing. Ye 6 months, we can produce enough. Ye say, you produce we are the oba fa kone the obey. Ye found to say the empenifo akofa body abe. Body farmer no say or any problem. As to say a beton, see a better transporter, say car neighbor problem. Farmer no fa. That is what we are looking for. See a our mandate now. The volume of chicken be here, and maminya analogy be. Ghana see a population near 30 million meboa. At least, a nipa 4 beer out of 10 a meal with chicken. So if you divide 30 by 4, it means that about 8.5 million people, about 7.5 million people eat chicken meal a day. If sa 7.5 for no, so be a meal odin ye day 25 gram of chicken a year. You divide and also by 4, you are getting about 1.8. So we have 1.8 million people omudi chicken a 1 kilo. Now say na ye here to be able to produce that chicken no 2 kilos live weight. You divide and no by 2. Which means say Ghana every day you hear nkoko over 500,000. Say it me a produce nkoko about 500,000 every day. It has a market. Nkoko 500,000 every day has a market in Ghana. Yet we are not producing even 2,000 a day. Not even 2,000. And imported chicken, no, and I take you over this market. And you see cheap. Fine. They do it in volumes. See, Ghana had me produce that 500,000 beds a day. Our cost of production will come down. So the economy of scale in Tino, you bet me cry to so. And there's a good potential for the Ghana poultry. And the Ghana poultry, it has a tripling effect on omomudia bro, omomudia soya bean meal. Along the value chain, the kind of employment they be creating. So agriculture has the backbone of the nation. Meanwhile, so the spinal cord in siso. So it's about time we focus on agriculture, get result-oriented policies and people they take responsibility for their actions. Not obi edwin say me ye we ye na nipa na ye say ye sa anye ye or say aye. Because Ghana poultry just say yare. Ghana poultry farmer be our problem.
I think that we need to find time, discuss poultry, and then we'll later also go into the other part of agriculture. We don't have enough time.